Go, Joe. Joe, pull over for a second up past this biker.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep.
Just right to the right. Pull over to the right. Uphill. Up. So the Joe can pass us. There you go. Alright, we're good.
Senior project?
Huh?
So I gotta be in your senior project?
Yeah? I can put you in it.
Nice. That's gonna be a really cool video, Ben.
Yeah. I'm gonna put some raw music to it. And then one of these days I think I'm gonna go to a place where they have jumps, and I'm gonna go jump some stuff. And
On your mountain bike?
yeah.
Nice. I think I've watched this before.
What?
I think I've hiked this before.
Yeah. So I usually get air off these things going about 20 miles an hour.
I'm not getting air today.
Oh, I know. I'm just saying that's me.
Is that what they were for?
No, they're speed bumps.
Oh.
So Joe, bend your elbows a little more and put your butt up higher off the saddle. Kind of like make your legs, yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, I got a nice shot of you coming up to that corner. I'll edit your video a little bit, make some good shots of you, put some music to this.
Nice.
First I have to get GoPro editing software.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Good right now.
What?
Am I good?
Yeah? Pull over to the right a little bit. Thank you.
Is that when you take for a jump?
What?
Is that when you take for a jump?
Jump? What are you saying?
Nothing. Don't worry about it.
Go left here.
Well, you're using the rear brake the whole time. No.
What? You gotta use the front brake?
Front brake more, yeah.